welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I will be swatching and unboxing some acrylic powders that I got from Dynamic Nail Supply. Here I'm showing you guys their card. They're on Instagram, Facebook, and their website is Dynamic Nail Supply. I will be using my Kupa odorless monomer in here with a little bit of acetone. I am using my Nail Supply Glamour Galaxy brush in a size 8 to swatch, and some swatch sticks here. Overall, I really enjoyed their formula. It works really well with odorless monomer. No problem there. And my favorite consistency was the glitter one. So make sure you guys watch to see that one swatched. It is a really beautiful pink glitter. And I don't know, for some reason, that one, the consistency of that was the easiest for me to work with. Super buttery and creamy. I really enjoyed these, and they're also super affordable. I believe each one of these pots was like $6 or $7. These are 1 ounce jars, so I think it's a pretty good deal. Yeah, so check them out if you guys are interested. I'm gonna let you guys watch this swatching video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you are subscribed because some of these will be in my giveaway that I'm doing at 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys are subscribed for that. So I hope you guys enjoy this swatching and acrylic unboxing from Dynamic Nail Supply. They also have other things except for acrylics if you guys are interested. I just think that they're super affordable, and I really enjoyed their acrylic powders. So I'm going to let you guys watch that here. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope everybody is doing well and having a great week. So make sure you guys subscribe, like the video, comment down below if you guys have ever tried them before. I also really enjoyed their packaging. Everything came packaged super nice, nothing spilled. They had those little seals on the acrylics, so everything came really well. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch this video, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.